Deep within the green lungs of our planet lies a world teeming with life. Towering trees, hidden valleys, and the rhythmic roar of water shape the heart of the forest. Waterfalls are more than nature's spectacle, they are life givers. As rivers cascade down cliffs, they oxygenate the water, nourish the soil, and create microclimates that sustain a rich variety of species. These areas are ecological hubs. Amphibians breed in shallow pools, birds nest in nearby trees, and countless creatures rely on this steady flow. Forests house over 80% of the Earth's terrestrial animals. From the forest floor to the high canopies, each layer is a different world. Even the smallest patch of forest is home to thousands of interactions, symbiotic relationships that have evolved over millennia. Water shapes life here. The forest drinks it, breathes it, and gives it back. Animals follow the rivers, and many species live only where water is constant. Where water flows, life follows. But this balance is fragile. Logging, mining, and climate change threaten both waterfalls and the creatures that call this place home. Hope lies in awareness and action. Protecting these habitats means protecting ourselves and the planet's future. In every drop of water, in every rustle of leaves, the forest tells a story of survival, of beauty, and of harmony. Let's keep that story alive. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe for more random knowledge video.